Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Hello children! Today we are going to read CVC sentences. Are you ready? Let's start. The cat is fat. Again. The cat is fat. Your turn to read, children. The boy has a toy. Again. The boy has a toy. Your turn to read, children. Ted has a net. Again. Ted has a net. Your turn to read, children. Her wig is red. Again. Her wig is red. Your turn to read, children. Pam has a jam. Again. Pam has a jam. Your turn to read, children. The pan is hot. Again. The pan is hot. Your turn to read, children. The man has a van. Again. The man has a van. Your turn to read, children. The bus is red. Again. The bus is red. Your turn to read, children. Pat has a bat. Again. Pat has a bat. Your turn to read, children. Gub has a big cap. Again. Gab has a big cap. Your turn to read, children. The rat has a hat. Again. The rat has a hat. Your turn to read, children. Roy has a map. Again. Roy has a map. Your turn to read, children. Sarah has a pink bag. Again. Sarah has a pink bag. Your turn to read, children. The pig is in the pen. Again. The pig is in the pen. Your turn to read, children. Dan has a fan. Again. Dan has a fan. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read the sentences together. Are you ready? Let's start. The cat is fat. The boy has a toy. Ted has a net. Her wig is red. Pam has a jam. The pan is hot. The man has a van. The bus is red. Pat has a bat. Gub has a big cap. The rat has a hat. Roy has a map. Sarah has a pink bag. The pig is in the pen. Dan has a fan. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lessons.